Looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video I'm going to talk about very simple Java integration. What is the difference between string and string buffer? String is immutable object. String object is immutable, whereas string buffer and string builder can change their values. That means once you initialize, you can change the value of string buffer, whereas string you cannot do it. If your text is not going to change, use a string class because string object is immutable. When you compare for performance, when you look at the performance wise, string buffer is faster than performing concatenations. Concatenation means you keep on adding to a text or string. So this is because when you concatenate a string object, you are creating a new object internally every time, since string is immutable. Okay, since the string is immutable, whenever you concatenate or you do some manipulation, it keep on creating new objects. Let's see an example so that you can understand in a better way. So I'm creating a string object. Okay, I'm putting some string here, assigning a string here, and I want to add to this string. Okay, I want to append to this string. So what I'm doing is I'm assigning it, so this value plus I want to add some more string to it. So you might think that it's like it is adding to the existing string object. No way. I'll tell you what exactly internally happens. What is really happening here is that we are not updating the existing string object. We are not updating this. We are reallocating new memory altogether. Okay, copying the interview dot data. This data we are copying and appending job portal to the end. Then settings the string object reference to the point to this new memory. So it really looks like, so you can see this is what happening inside. So what is happening internally is, I'll explain you. This is what happening. So the string object is there. So whenever we do this statement, what it does is it creates a new object, it copies the data from here, okay, and it appends a new value, another value, and after copying it, it change the reference to string object. So this is where the performance hit happens, because every time you do an addition of string, appending of string or concatenation of a string, it creates new objects. String creates new objects because string is internally immutable. It is immutable because it has final character array. Whereas string buffer, this value, okay, we are having an initial string assigned to this object, okay, and I'm trying to append to that. So what happens is it will take this value plus append together without creating any new objects. Okay, so string buffer is not immutable, it can change. If you want to change the value, okay, you can use string buffer. If you use string class for appending, you will have a performance issue. Let's see, I want to show you the string class from the rt.jar. This will be available in your Java environment. You can go to java lang.util, click the string class. You can see here string class is marked as final, and important point is here the internally it will have character array value which is marked as final. So this is very, very important. So since we have marked this value as final, string is immutable, we can never change it. So let's debug this and check how exactly it works. So we have assigned some value to this, we are appending it. That means it is creating a new object, copying this value, adding this value, and assigning to this object. Okay, you might ask what happened to the old reference. It is unreachable, it will be collected by garbage collector later. So we are printing it, okay, using string we are using. So string buffer, same thing, but without creating any new object, it is appended to the existing object. So string buffer is performance, it will improve the performance. So in your project, if you are using any concatenation process or any addition of strings, please use string buffer. Don't use string class because it is immutable. I showed you because it is marked as final, whereas string buffer It's like string buffer. You can keep on appending the class. Okay. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. If you like this video, please press the like button. Thank you.